Hello and welcome back to English Passage, where we teach English through storytelling and real life experiences. If you joined us in part 1, you followed our character Anna as she traveled through the airport, practiced speaking English with airport staff, and checked into her hotel. You learned essential phrases that every traveler needs at the start of their journey. Now, in part 2, Anna's adventure continues. She's feeling more confident, and today she's going to visit a restaurant and explore the city for the first time on her own. In this episode, you learn how to speak English into very common travel situations, ordering food and getting around town. We'll guide you through realistic conversations, like talking to a waiter, asking about the menu, and even handling special requests at a restaurant. After that, you'll go with Anna as she navigates transportation, asking for directions, using public transit, and taking a taxi. This lesson is packed with useful English phrases, repeat after me sections, and natural expressions that tourists and travelers use every day. So grab your notebook, listen closely, and practice out loud. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Let's begin part 2 of Anna's travel story and keep growing your English one conversation at a time. Part 3. At a restaurant. The next morning, Anna woke up refreshed and ready to explore. After a light breakfast at the hotel, she took a walk around the neighborhood. Around noon, she started feeling hungry and decided to try a local restaurant that looked popular with travelers. As she entered the restaurant, a friendly waiter greeted her. "Good afternoon. Table for one?" "Yes, please," Anna replied with a smile. "This way, please." The waiter gestured toward a small table by the window. Anna took a seat and looked around. The restaurant had a cozy atmosphere with soft music playing in the background and people chatting in different languages. The waiter handed her a menu. "Thank you," she said, scanning the list. The dishes looked interesting, but some names were unfamiliar. When the waiter returned, she said, "I'd like to see the specials, please." "Today's specials are grilled chicken with vegetables and seafood pasta," he replied. "What do you recommend?" Anna asked. "The seafood pasta is very popular. It's fresh and flavorful." "Great, I'll have that. And a glass of water, please." The waiter nodded. "Would you like an appetizer or dessert?" "No, just the main dish for now." "Thank you." As she waited, Anna thought about useful phrases for ordering food in a restaurant. "Can I see the menu, please? Do you have vegetarian options? I'm allergic to peanuts. Can I get this without onions? What ingredients are in this dish?" Soon, her meal arrived. It smelled delicious, and she complimented the waiter. "This looks amazing." "Thank you. Enjoy your meal," he said. After taking a few bites, Anna waved the waiter over. "Excuse me, could I get some extra napkins?" "Certainly." She also asked, "Can I have some pepper, please?" After finishing her meal, the waiter returned. "How was everything?" "It was fantastic. The pasta was perfect," Anna said sincerely. "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" "No, thank you. Just the check, please." "Of course. Would you like to pay by cash or card?" "Card, please." "Also, can I get a receipt?" "Certainly," the waiter said, handing her the bill and the card reader. As Anna left the restaurant, she reviewed the phrases she had used. "Table for one, please. What do you recommend? Can I get this without onions? Could I get some extra napkins? Can I have the check, please? Do you take credit cards?" Now it's time for you to practice. Repeat each phrase after me. "Can I see the menu, please? I'd like the seafood pasta. Can I have this without cheese? This looks amazing. Can I have the check, please?" Say them aloud and imagine yourself sitting at a restaurant just like Anna. The more you speak, the more natural it will feel. Part 4. Getting around. After lunch, Anna decided to explore the city a bit more. She wanted to visit a famous museum, but wasn't sure how to get there. Standing at the street corner, she saw a bus stop and approached a man nearby. "Excuse me," she said politely, "where's the nearest metro station?" The man pointed down the street. "It's about 2 blocks that way, on the left. You'll see the signs." "Thank you very much," Anna replied. As she walked, she reviewed useful phrases in her mind. "Where's the nearest bus stop? Does this train go to the city center? How much is a ticket? I need a one-day pass. Can you show me on the map?" At the metro station, she approached the ticket counter. "Hi, I'd like to go to the Central Museum. Which line should I take?" The ticket clerk answered, "Take the blue line and change to the red line at Central Park Station." "Thank you. How much is the fare?" "It's $2.50 one way. I'll take a round-trip ticket, please." After purchasing her ticket, Anna headed toward the platform. She looked at the map and double-checked her route. On the train, she sat next to a woman with a stroller. When the baby dropped a toy, Anna picked it up and handed it to her. "Here you go." "Thank you so much," the woman said. Anna smiled. She was starting to feel more comfortable speaking English in public situations. At her destination, she exited the station and noticed she was unsure about which street to take. She approached a local shopkeeper. "Hi, could you help me? I'm looking for the Central Museum." The shopkeeper pointed. "Just go straight for 1 block, then turn right. You'll see it on your left." "Thanks again," Anna said cheerfully. Before entering the museum, she noted down more useful phrases. "Is this the right platform? How many stops until Central Park? Excuse me, does this bus stop at the museum? Can I pay with cash or card? Is there a restroom on board?" That evening, Anna returned to the hotel by taxi. She waved one down and said, "To the Grand View Hotel, please." The driver nodded and they drove off. During the ride, Anna made small talk. "Is traffic always this busy in the evening?" "Usually, yes," the driver replied. Back at her hotel, Anna reflected on how many English phrases she had successfully used in one day. She was beginning to enjoy the challenge. Here's a review of the most useful phrases from today's adventures. Where's the nearest metro station? Which line should I take? How much is a round-trip ticket? Can you show me on the map? Does this bus stop at the museum? Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Where's the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the city center? Can I get a one-day pass? How many stops until Central Park? Is this the right platform? Imagine yourself navigating a new city. Practice speaking these sentences out loud. The more you practice, the easier your travels will be. Well done! You've just completed part 2 of our travel English story, and that's something to be proud of. In this episode, you joined Anna as she practiced speaking English at a restaurant and while getting around the city. You've learned how to make polite requests, ask about food, read a menu, and handle basic transportation, like asking for directions, taking a bus, or finding a taxi. These are some of the most useful English skills any traveler can have. Whether you're planning a trip abroad, meeting new people, or just improving your fluency, these phrases are a powerful tool to help you speak with confidence. Don't forget, practice makes progress. Try listening to this video again and repeating the phrases out loud. The more often you use them, the more natural they'll feel when you need them in real life. In part 3, Anna's journey continues. She'll go shopping for souvenirs, ask for help when she gets lost, and meet new people in the city. You learn English for handling emergencies, being friendly, and starting conversations with strangers. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And if you have a favorite phrase from today's video, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for learning with English Passage. We'll see you in part 3. And remember, every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Safe travels and happy learning. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.